Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making suya. So first thing we have to do is to wash our meat. Already my own has already washed, clean and nice. Then the next thing is to use tissue and dry excess water out of the meat. So I'm using goat meat, so you can use any meat of your choice. So take away the excess water, use tissue and dry it thoroughly. Then we are going to be slicing it step by step. If you want to achieve good and sweet suya, you need to make sure that your meat is well tiny sliced, just the way you are seeing it in this video. So guys, my name is Lulu's Kitchen. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you subscribe, drop your comment and tell me where you are watching from so that I can give you a hug in my next video. So as you can see, this is the consistency we are going for. So just keep cutting it like this. After that, so this is how it look like. So we are going to transfer it into our bone. Then we are going to be going in with our seasoning. So guys, I was just craving for suya. Then I just decided to make some by myself, and this suya came so amazing. It was so yummy and so delicious. So the next thing inside was garlic, chopped garlic. Then I go in with ginger powder. Then the next thing I go in with, it was black pepper. I go in with black pepper. Then the next thing I go in with, it was a cinnamon leaf. Dry one is optional. Then I go in with some suya spices. Then I go in with a pepper. Add your pepper and go in with your nutmeg. I use half of the nutmeg. I did not use everything. You can decide to use everything. Then add it. Then the next thing is to go in with pepper. Add your pepper. Then go in with salt. Add your salt. Then the next thing I go in was groundnut oil. Add your groundnut oil, and the next thing you are going to do is to mix and combine them together, guys. This suya was so amazing. I give this suya 10/10 because it was so yummy, super yummy. Don't mind my baby is here with me. We are doing the voiceover together. So mix it thoroughly. Make sure it is well mixed, nice, and all the ingredients they are well go inside. Then after enough mixing, then I bring out my hair fryer. I added the meat. I'm going to be using my hair fryer to dry it off. So now I arrange it inside my hair fryer. You have to make sure that you lay a parchment paper under to avoid the hair fryer not to get dirty fast. So I press some parchment paper. I begin to arrange the suya meat inside. After arranging it, I go in with a pinch of groundnut oil. Then the next thing I go in was lemon juice. Add your lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, then you place it in the hair fryer so that it can be able to fry faster. Guys, this hair fryer makes it so easy for you to do. Then I bring it out. Then I mix everything together. I put it back. As you can see, our suya is ready. This suya was so amazing. It was so yummy and so simple. So guys, we are going to be transferring it from the hair fryer to our plate so that we can be able to arrange it thoroughly, guys. This suya, the way it was in this video, that is the way it was sweet. It was very sweet, so simple. Homemade suya is so simple. Go and try it. Is it the pepper? Is it the suya spices? Is it the ginger and the garlic? Everything came out so perfect. So I go in with some suya spices. Then I top it with some onions and toothpick, just to pick it up and put it in our mouth. Then arrange the onions by the corner, and your suya is ready. Go and try this amazing homemade suya. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Remain blessed. Bye.